Good evening, everyone. My name is Russell Nunley. I'm with PCBOTS, and we are actually giving away one of these Tello drones. What we need is 100 subscribers to our channel. So what I'm going to be doing today is just do a quick reveal to show you actually what you're getting or what you might want to purchase in the future. These are fun little drones. So what I'm going to do is just kind of unbox it and tell you just a little bit about it. This drone is actually made by Ryze Tech, but is actually got, if you can see on the front of the box, I'm going to move this in a little closer. This actually shows that it has an Intel processor with DJI mechanics. So for 99 bucks, this is actually a pretty good. This is a pretty good deal. It does come with a 720p HD transmission type camera. It does have a 13-minute flight time, and that's remarkable for a $99 drone. Like I mentioned before, it does have a 5-megapixel camera, and that's for taking photos. It does have electronic image stabilization, which is built into the camera, so that does help. Another one that's actually unheard of is the precise hovering. What it actually does is when you tell it to take off via the software, and you can use it on a tablet or your smartphone, it will take off to a certain distance and just hover, basically waiting for your next move. It does have the ability to program it as well and perform multiple flight modes. It is simple to easy operate. The drone itself does not come with any accessories, so if you wanted to buy some accessories, they're actually on the back, and you can get a remote controller, a battery charging hub, or 3 different colors with the Tello snap-on top cover. It comes in blue, yellow, or white. And on the back, if you look at the packaging, it actually shows you that you can scan down here by the accessories, and that will take you to their website and show you exactly what you could get as far as accessories and how to purchase those. Okay, so without further ado, again, I'm just going to show you the box that it comes in. Again, $99 at Best Buy and online. And their motto here is Tello, feel the fun. So let's open it up and see what you get. So we're going to open the box and slide it out. And there's the drone itself. So there is a second portion here that's probably got the rest of your accessories. So if you'll excuse me, I'm going to use a little knife here and cut the tape there. Open that up, and there you go, exactly what I thought. So that's just an empty box now, so I'm going to set it over here. And so what you get is a quick start guide, and the print's going to be real small. You can see it's a really small book. So I suggest you actually go to their website to get that kind of information that you need. And then this extra package that comes here with it is some extra blades for the drone, and of course the battery. Alright, so what I want to do is actually take the drone out of its packaging. So it looks like it comes in 2 pieces. So I'm just going to pop off the top plastic there, set that to the side, and there's the drone itself. I did look at some review videos before I decided to do this, just because I'm not familiar with this particular drone, but I'm going to give you a close-up of what it looks like. So there's the drone, and you can see that it has some really nice propellers. They're not the real cheap ones that you would get, you know, with a typical $99 drone. It does have the brush motors, and it does have the protection. This is a great little drone to fly indoors and just to have a lot of fun with. So if you'll look, I'm going to just take the drone, I'm going to turn it over and just show you different things about the drone. So on this particular side, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a small little USB charging port. and that's how you charge the battery once you slide the battery in. And then in the front of the drone, right here, you have the camera. Okay, so take and show you the bottom side of the drone. We actually have the sensors here, and what that does is when the drone takes off flat like that, it takes a picture and lets you know exactly what's below you, and helps stabilize the drone. Now, they do say that you can fly this outside. I have seen it demonstrated flying outside, and these are not the best when it comes to high wind conditions. And as far as distance and things like that, that's one of those things that you're going to have to test, because it does run off of 2.4 gigahertz standard Wi-Fi. This is not where it's going to be using GPS. So again, it's a $99 drone, and I'm just going to bring that back into the picture and show you again this package, and we're going to open it up. And there's your extra set of blades, and it comes with a tool. It's kind of hard to see, but it comes with a tool to put your blades on. Should you crash it and need to replace one of the blades. So there's the battery, and then according to other videos that I've seen, it takes about an hour and a half to charge the battery. And once the battery's charged, again, you're probably going to get 12 to 14 minutes flight time. And again, that really depends on whether you're flying it indoors or outdoors. So when we come back, we're going to fly the drone, and I'll show you how stable it is. Thank you.